So when you first come to your account, you'll see that you land on the dashboard page and you land on the personal account type. Now we offer 2 account types, just because you might have different data sets. You might want to use different risk models depending on which account you use. So we do offer that. We have the personal and the investment. Now it doesn't have to be a personal and an investment. It could be 2 personals, could be 2 investment accounts. Okay, that's just our differentiation between the 2. What it means is you can set up your risk profile on here. You can come to here and you can put accelerated if you want, and then maybe you want to go onto the investment account and you want to use reserved. Okay, you might have a slightly different account balance and you want to test some things out on that account. So you do have the option to toggle between the 2. Every page it just toggles your data. Okay, so you can see what's happening on either of your accounts, and it just gives you a little bit more flexibility. Okay, so not everything is crammed into one. You don't have to use both if you don't want to, but we have given you the option if you do wish to do so. I know a lot of people do trade with multiple accounts. Sometimes they do link them all together and trade through one, but somebody might simply have a small personal account or maybe a small funded account, etc., and they want to just separate that information. So yeah, we do offer that, and you can see all of the individual stats for either account.